ke joint military exercise Shakti jongkeri India bat ke France ke banyo ke lastang ne ke nginengkong ha umroi ke badai ke jaka ke balapan krek kerpang ya kitiar gitar na ke bentaban ai jing hikai. Kini ke joint exercise ke lastang ha katlai terik batkan kut ha ke alpondeu terik ujemang. Ha kini ke jing pli ya ke jing stang ya ke joint exercise lawan banyo donlang u nongkit tiens im jongkeri France ya India uteri Matthew bad u Major General Prasana Sudhakar Joshi u General Officer Commanding Sanpoway Sub Area. Ke joint exercise Shakti ke ke jing ai jing hikai pentebit ke bala Pynlong mar ke liang hapok keri India pada hari France. Par kesian ke bakhadu ke bala Pynlong ya kene ke jing ai jing hikai ke day hau nai wiang alajar poway.
The first was organized in Canada, the second was organized in France, and this one is here in Meghalaya. Well, this is very important because, as you know, France and India enjoy an exceptional relationship. As I said earlier, last year we celebrated the 25th anniversary of our strategic partnership. Actually, I like to describe this partnership as universal because literally it goes from the deep ocean to the outer space. And obviously, defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say, the major pillar of our partnership with India. Use the term of Indo-Pacific strategy, so France coined its own Indo-Pacific strategy back in 2018. We have a vision of, obviously, a peaceful, inclusive region, and as a matter of fact, we share the same vision as India. So, same vision, joint strategic views on the state of the region is essential, is really at the core of our partnership. Second is our cooperation on defense equipment. So, of course, you are all aware of our close relation as far as Rafale jet concerned, Scorpion submarines. I could make a long list of equipments, air, marine, land, where France and India have a strong cooperation. I want to insist on the fact that all the major French companies dealing in the security and defense sectors are here in India, totally complying with the Make in India concept and developing their cooperation with the stakeholders in this country. So, joint vision on the Indo-Pacific strategy, cooperation on defense equipment, and of course, joint military exercise. And this exercise, once again, as I said, is the third of its type, very important for our military men to interact, first of all to know each other, but to exchange good practices, and at the end, if they have to work, to fight together, they will exactly know how to proceed. So this kind of exercise we have in all dimensions, naval, air force, and here land exercise, very important. So once again we attach a great importance to this interaction. As I said earlier, the future of the cooperation between France and India in the security and defense sector is bright, so we are looking forward to developing it in the three legs I just described. So thank you very much.
Conducts training for Indian Armed Forces and forces from friendly foreign countries. Aksai Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of sub-conventional operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations Mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge, skills, and expertise. The endeavor of the exercise is to learn from each other's shared experiences, develop joint mention, and interoperability through constructive dialogue between individuals and small groups. During the 14 days of staying together, we aspire to work closely with each other to enhance our trust and shared understanding. Thank you.
I would like to underline some points. I want first to present our warmest thanks to the 22nd Regiment for its warm welcome and support, which clearly sets the exercise on a great path. I have no doubt that this new and improved Shakti 23-24 will be a great success and will perfectly illustrate the way the partnership between our armies has kept developing these past 3 years. Thank you.